Let's do a Bono buy. Let's be financially responsible. Oh, yeah. Can we have 4? 3, baby. All right. Okay. Brand new Prag game. Never seen it before. Here we go. Cross those fingers. First time ever on it. All the sushi times 27 times do we get all, or we have to get a bunch of take all? Oh, how many take alls do we need to win all that? Probably an infinite amount, I'm guessing. Come on, no! Oh, we probably just needed her. Wow, so this is just extreme volatility. What the hell? Wow. Wow. Okay. That's gotta be fat. So it is just literally each one's a multiplier. Man, there's some huge ones out there sometimes. Hold on, giveaway. Oh, you. Yay! We got it again. A natural, too. Alright, we got a natural and a bot one on here now. Here we go. So you have to get, I think, all 3 girls plus the take all sushi guy. Oh no, all take all sushi guys to take all. One more. Oh, all right, 130x. There we go. Oh, we only got 104x though. Okay, all right, we'll take it. There we go. So you really want to land him middle or end of the Bono, but we actually got the take all. All right. We'll take it. Alright, almost 150xer. And then it starts refilling again. And then you can just win the line as well, right? You don't have to get the take all. You can just get her and win what's out there. But it adds up fast. Like, you hit take all at the end, it's fat. There we go, 150xer. Remember to hit that like and subscribe button for the new Pragmatic game. That's some line pays, a bonus buy, and a natural spin in. I mean, it's not too bad. It's an interesting game. It feels very volatile, but I'm not a hater.